So guys, good morning. Practice reading to guys na mabilis at ma-pronounce ng clear at magandang sound. Good morning, God bless. Vlog video naman to guys regarding to how to reading the past immediately or quickly. God bless and good morning to all. The practical science. How do we stop to the hiccups? Hiccups. You have to the experience to hiccup is every now and then is you have to the probably tried and the almost of the every remedy to get rid of them. From the drinking lots of water without to stopping for air to the holding of your the breath is the clicking sounds that you hear is actually to caused by your diagram, which is the skeletal muscles and therefore can be controlled voluntarily. Sometimes to the diagram is controls is the contracts to involuntarily when it is to their nerves and they become is the irritated either by the eating topaz or by the some others of the conditions. Drinking is lot is a water or the holding you to the breath is help to the reduce to the oxygen supply and increase to the carbon dioxide level of your body. This is the remedy can cause of the involuntary contractions of the diagram, the hiccups to stop. Extend the respiration of the transport of gases with the circulatory system. As the shown in the figure 1-9, it is the billows is surrounded by the network or tiny blood vessels called capillaries in the lungs of the 600 million alveoli. The exchange of the oxygens and the carbon dioxide is between the blood and the inhaled air. Take place. Let us take a closer look at this process. The walls of the alveoli and the capillaries share in the focus of the basement. They are so close that the oxygen and the carbon dioxide is diffused, move freely and between to the respiratory system and the bloodstream. As the result, when air is enters of the alveoli, oxygen in the air sips through to the vein and walls of the tiny sacs into the surrounding of capillaries. Internal respiration of the exchange of the gases with the body and cells. Internal respiration prepares to the exchange of gas at the level of body, called cells, and it brings oxygen from your lungs to all of the other tissue in your body and takes out carbon dioxide from the tissue back to your lungs as the width of the product. As the blood slowly moves through to the capillaries, it is picks up to the oxygen and the carries it to the cells and the throughout of the body. When the oxygen is rich, blood rich, and the cells is the release the oxygen. At the same time, the blood is picked up to the carbon dioxide and the produced by the cells during the respiration and the returns it's to the alveoli, where is the release from your body, where it is the release from your body when you exhale. Because air is rarely in the lungs for more than a few seconds, the exchange of the gases is oxygen and the carbon dioxide takes place quickly. This is the wind. This is the where the tree like to the structure of the respiratory system comes in the bronchi of the branching of the structure and enables more than 2,400 kilometers of airways to fit into the small area of the chest cavity. As the result is dial of the oxygen can seep into the lungs and as to equal to the amount of carbon dioxide can be released out of the lungs in a short time. Circular respiration, our body is the energy releasing process. Recall from the grades 8 that the digestive system breaks down food into the nutrients which can then to the enter the body calls that the fire burns is only if there is enough oxygen in the air. Similarly, body to the energy is the releasing to process the fuels by the oxygen is called cellular respiration. Cellular respiration is also a produce carbon dioxide as anto metabolic which produce of the circular respiration. It is the toxic to cells and must be to remove to details of circular respiration will be discussed in chapter 5. Proudly Filipino. Many people are cured of the respiratory doctor of the medicine. Many people are cured of the respiratory illness by the taking of the antibiotics. Died you know that the Filipino is the physician scientist Dr. Abelardo Aguilar discovered to the pharmaceutical firm Eli Lilly Co of the antibiotic was to the isolated from the metabolic Philippines. It was to be found to be very effective against a wide range of the microbes. The erythromycin, the erythromycin was launched by the commercial in 1952 and the branded as the Epson after the Philippines province of Iloilo where to the drugs originated to the doctor's inspections and the certainty of the sexually transmitted to the disease. It is also to the prescribed as an to the alternative antibiotic to the patients who have the allergies reaction to the penicillin. Dr. Aguilar died in 1993 without being recognized for his work. Eli is secured to a patient for his discovery. As undo overdue is the circulatory system. The circulatory system transports is the blood and the food and the molecules to the body cells in the red and blood cells, and this is the process oxygen combines with food and the cells to produce energy for the body and eliminates which products carbon dioxide and water vapor. Circular respiration requires as the continuous supply of oxygen in order to break down sugar from food and release energy. Gas exchange therefore involves of the coordinated works of the respiratory and the circulatory system. Prevention, detection, and the treatments of the disease or the respiratory system. The preventing of the respiratory illness starts with the changing our lifestyles is although mild, and the respiratory illness is such as a cold, flu, and the allergies may not be left of the threatenings and some like to the tuberculosis and the pneumonia should not to be taken for the granted. Washing your hands often, taking on the enough dress is avoiding of the stressful and the activities and the smoking and the having of the immunization shots or can boost your immune system and spare you from these respiratory problems. The infection disease of the respiratory tract. The common cold is the contagious to infections of the upper respiratory tract, and it is usually of the result of the viral infection. Symptoms includes sneezing, runniness because of the excessive nasal secretion, nasal secretions. The congestion and the mild of the fever is the preschool children are at the greater risk of getting of the colds between 6 to 12 times a year, while adult is the typically acquire a colds of the between 2 to 4 times. Actually, cold does not to have acute, but it is to symptoms can be relieved by the taking of the enough rest and drinking lots of fluids. Of the disease usually runs in course for about a week. It is the advisable to seek treatment if the cold is last for more than a week. Influenza or flu is the contagious illness caused by the several influenza viruses. Patient experience the cells fever is the headache, muscular pains, runniness, and general discomfort. Although is the symptoms as the similar with the common cold influenza, it is more severe disease which is can even to leads of the pneumonia. And for other people and the children died is death. Influenza can spread globally in the seasonal epidemics, where the severe cases of 3 to 5 million and about 250,000 to 500,000 yearly deaths, several the new strains. The viruses is the emerged recently as the result of the mutation. This is the includes of the influenza ahini, which is the cause of the worldwide pandemic and the affected millions in June 2009 in the Philippines. Ahini is causes of the rates of the 3,207 causing 9 deaths. The epidemic leads to the shutdown of the many schools which is affected by student. DOH is July 30, 2009. Vaccination and antiviral drugs are available in the some countries.